Greetings boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to play the bass line of Kashmir by Led Zeppelin, one of my favorite songs. It's a very long song, very repetitive, but quite simple at the same time. And so what I'm going to do is I'll start sort of midway or just at the end of the second verse, and then from the end of the second verse we'll go into the bridge run through, and then we're going to go into that really fun part around the middle, and then we're going to go into the middle part as well. So I'm going to show you all three main bass lines that are in the song. So yeah, hope it's helpful. Enjoy.
Story was quite clear. Baby, I've been crying. Ooh, baby, I'm slowly dying. Mama, sweet baby. Baby, I'm slowly dying. Mama, sweet baby. Whoa, yeah. Sweet woman, sweet woman, sweet woman. Slow.